Okay, now further, let's try to understand few more things about disk structure. So next thing we are going to discuss is top view of magnetic disk. टॉप व्यू अगर देखेंगे, टॉप से इस डिस्क को देखेंगे आप, सो व्हाट यू विल बी एबल टू सी फ्रॉम द टॉप, यू विल बी एबल टू सी ओनली द टॉप मोस्ट surface, only topmost surface you can see. Okay, so what is the topmost surface? A round circle like structure you will be able to see. थोड़ा सा राउंड समझ लेना. Okay, so a circle like structure you will be able to see, and inside you will be having a spindle. That's it, you will be able to see from the top view. Now what happens, each surface, mark my words, you can write down in your notes, each surface is divided into concentric tracks. Concentric means same center but various radius. Track is what? कभी अगर ओलंपिक रेस का ट्रैक देखा है, ऐसा कुछ like this. You can imagine multiple such structures, whatever you want to. Multiple such kind of things you have seen, but such kind of concentric tracks will be there. Multiple tracks, yes, you can imagine that it will be completely round. Okay, so what happens, how many tracks? Right now I am having 1 2 3 4 5 6. If 6 tracks right now I am having on the topmost surface, other surface will have same 6 tracks, yes. Other surface will have same 6 track, 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 yes. So how many total tracks we will be having in entire disk? If we have 3 platers, each with 2 recording surfaces, means 6 surfaces. 6 surface, each surface is having 1 2 3 4 5 6 track. Total 36 track you will be having on entire disk. 6 here, 6 backside, 6 here, 6 backside, 6 here, 6 backside. Are you agree with me? Are you agree with me on this point? Okay, fine. Now these tracks will be further divided into sectors like this. But you know what happens? थोड़ा सा और उसको क्लियर बनाते हैं. See, based on geometry, this is one sector. मैथमेटिक्स के अकॉर्डिंग ये होता है एक पूरा सेक्टर, एक पिज्जा स्लाइस, है ना? यस और नो? यस. बट इन द डिस्क a sector we will call as sector within the track. एक ट्रैक के अंदर का सेक्टर. What does it mean? See, this is the track, this is one sector, this is another track, another sector, this is another track, another sector, another track, another sector, another track, another sector, another track, another sector, like that. So small part is called as sector in my disk study. So whenever you see a sector in the disk, means sector within the track I am talking about, क्योंकि डिस्क में वही हम assume करते हैं. Are you guys listening me seriously or not? Tell me, you guys are listening me or not? There are two types of things which you can use through this: hearing and listening. Okay, hearing means बस सुना, इस कान से सुना, इस कान से निकाल दिया. Listening means actually listening, coming that particular, bringing that particular information here, storing and processing it. Use that, है ना? दिया है भगवान ने अच्छा काम यूज करने के लिए. यूज इट एंड लेट मी नो you guys are hearing me, listening me completely and correctly or not. So I am telling you what is the sector? Sector is that particular sector which is within the track, and that is the smallest unit of your disk. What does it mean, smallest unit? Smallest unit means whenever a magnetic disk will receive any information, any particular information, read or write, then magnetic disk in single time can access entire sector ka content. So the smallest part which you can read at a time or write at a time will be one particular sector. Okay, so what is a sector? Sector is the smallest unit of the disk which can be read or written at once. I am writing it. sector is the smallest unit of disk which can be read or written at once. तो एक बार में CPU अगर रीड राइट रिक्वेस्ट सेंड करेगा, then that read write request will be of one particular sector at least. And that is why in the disk, when we talk about addressing, that we will talk about in the COA chapter more, but remember COA means computer architecture subject more, but remember each sector gets one address in the magnetic disk. हर एक बाइट का एड्रेस नहीं होता है. Remember each sector will get an address. Sector is the addressable unit of the disk. Sector is addressable unit of disk. There is a question from a student, sir, some problem in questions, where will I send you? Garima Singh, do one thing, tomorrow 4 p.m. I am going to conduct a special class on Unacademy platform. That class is only for discussion with the students and their doubts. Come there, share your questions over there as image or as text, and we will be discussing over there. Perfect plan for your learning. Absolutely free class it is. Unacademy special class tomorrow 4 p.m. Okay, now sector is the smallest addressable unit. Now can you calculate total how many sector I do have in my entire disk? First of all, let me calculate how many sectors I have in single particular track. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 sectors on one track. 5 sectors same on another track also, yes. 5 sector on another track also, yes. Another track, yes. Another track. Such kind of, we already calculated 36 sectors, sorry, 36 track we had in entire disk. How? 3 platers, 2 surfaces each, total 6 surfaces, above, below, above, below, above, below. Each surface was having such kind of 6 track, so total 6 into 6, 36 track. Now each sector, each track is having 5 sector. Total number of sector will be how many? Number of sector, if I want to calculate, will be 36 into 5. And what will be the simple conceptual formula? Number of sectors in the disk is equal to, let's say this number of sector in the disk, I am just giving a particular NS. It's just a convention I am using right now. Number of sectors in the disk is equal to how much? 2 into number of platers. It will give me number of surfaces total. Then multiplication by number of tracks per surface, which was 6 into number of sectors per track. समझ में आ रहा है तुम लोग को क्या बोल रहा है ये क्वेश्चन, या ये जो मैंने अभी तक समझाया है? आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड फॉलो मी? फाइन. So if suppose I am saying some 2 power 12 number of sectors are there in the disk, how many bits are required to get the address of the sector? It will be log of 2 power 12, 12 bits are required. So can I say address size for disk is equal to log of number of sectors in the disk base 2 bits? Will that be fine? चलेगा? Give me yes or no. फिर आगे बढ़े हम. चल आगे बढ़ते हैं. Look at this. Top view of the disk. I already told you. Fine. Now look at this. This pinkish color. This one completely. It's a track. So A representing a track. Good. Now this particular B, bluish color. I guess you can see that blue color, right? That bluish color B is representing a particular geometric sector, pizza slice. But in the disc, we are mostly, actually mainly interested in sector within a track, this darkish pinkish color. है ना? So C is actually sector of a track, in which we are interested in. And one last, this D is like, look at this, one sector, another sector, another sector. Collection of consecutive sectors is known as a cluster. So that is a cluster. Okay. Sure. Somebody is asking very interesting question, sir. Whatever you are teaching right now, is it same as magnetic disc present in COA course? Yes, Nirmal, it is same. But in COA, we will take our discussion to another level. COA का डिस्कशन जो है हम थोड़ा और डिटेल में लेके जाएंगे. यहाँ पे हमें सिर्फ स्ट्रक्चर समझना है अप टू बेसिक लेवल in the OS. Why I am teaching? Just because sometimes people will not refer my COA lectures, but they will refer entire OS lectures. So I'll have to teach entire thing here in this series also. That's why I am teaching you. And as I promised, this Friday will be the last class of the operating system course. Okay, fine. Chal. So magnetic disc, as this is the diagram, you can understand. One thing you will not be able to understand, cylinder. Okay, fine. I will explain this later. Remaining things: spindle, track, sector, plater, rotation, arm, read, write, head, arm assembly. Everything I have explained you.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging jet contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for jet till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.